Hey, have you heard the latest news?
No, what's going on?
Well, there's been a major breakthrough in renewable energy technology.
Really? That sounds exciting. What happened?
Scientists have developed a new type of solar panel that's much more efficient than the ones we have today.
That's incredible. How much more efficient are they?
They can convert almost 50% of the sunlight they receive into electricity, which is a huge improvement from the current average of around 20%.
That's a game changer. With more efficient solar panels, we can generate much more clean energy and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels.
Absolutely. And the best part is that these new panels are also cheaper to produce, making solar energy even more economically viable.
That's fantastic news for the environment and for consumers as well. I hope this technology becomes widely available soon.
Speaking of the environment, there's also been progress in the fight against plastic pollution.
Really? What's the latest development?
Scientists have discovered a species of bacteria that can break down plastic at an accelerated rate.
That's incredible. Plastic pollution is a massive problem, and finding a way to biodegrade it quickly could make a huge difference.
Absolutely. This discovery could revolutionize waste management and help us clean up our oceans and landfills.
I'm glad researchers are working on solutions like this. It gives me hope for the future.
Me too. It's important to remember that despite all the challenges we face, there are amazing advancements happening in various fields.
You're right. It's easy to get caught up in negative news, but we should also celebrate the positive strides we're making.
Definitely. And speaking of positive strides, have you heard about the recent breakthrough in medical research?
No, what happened?
Scientists have developed a new gene therapy that has shown promising results in the treatment of certain genetic disorders.
That's incredible. Gene therapy has the potential to revolutionize medicine and provide hope for so many people.
Absolutely. This new therapy has already been successful in treating conditions like muscular dystrophy and cystic fibrosis.
That's amazing. It's incredible to think about the impact this could have on people's lives.
It truly is. The possibilities of gene therapy are immense, and it's exciting to see it becoming a reality.
I'm grateful for all the dedicated scientists and researchers who are working tirelessly to improve our lives.
Me too. It's important to appreciate their hard work and the positive impact it has on society.
Definitely. Let's hope that these advancements continue and that we see even more breakthroughs in the future.
Absolutely. The future is looking brighter with each new discovery.
I couldn't agree more. And it's not just in the field of science and technology. There have been some significant developments in the world of arts and entertainment as well.
Oh, really? What's been happening?
Well, there's been a resurgence of diverse storytelling and representation in movies and television. Filmmakers and content creators are producing more inclusive and authentic narratives.
That's fantastic to hear. Representation and diversity in media are crucial for promoting understanding and breaking down stereotypes.
Absolutely. It's empowering to see people from different backgrounds and cultures sharing their stories and experiences on the big screen.
And it's not just limited to films. The music industry has also been making strides in promoting inclusivity and addressing social issues.
That's true. Many musicians are using their platforms to raise awareness about important causes and spark conversations about social justice.
It's inspiring to see artists using their art to make a positive impact and create change.
Definitely. Art has always been a powerful tool for expressing emotions, challenging norms, and driving social progress.
I couldn't agree more. It's encouraging to witness these positive developments in various aspects of our society.
It certainly is. It reminds us that despite the challenges we face, there are always reasons to be hopeful and optimistic.
Absolutely. It's essential to stay informed about both the challenges and the advancements happening around us.
Agreed. By staying informed, we can contribute to the conversations and actions that shape our future.
And let's not forget the importance of supporting and celebrating these advancements. Whether it's through advocating for renewable energy, reducing plastic waste, or embracing diverse art forms, we can all play a part.
That's a great point. Every individual action counts, and together, we can make a significant difference.
So, let's stay engaged, keep spreading the word about these positive news stories, and continue to be a part of the progress.
I'm with you on that. Here's to a future filled with more breakthroughs, positive changes, and a better world for all.
Cheers to that.
You know, it's not just the big advancements and breakthroughs that matter. There are also countless everyday acts of kindness and compassion that contribute to making the world a better place.
Absolutely. Random acts of kindness, whether it's helping someone in need or simply being there for a friend, can have a profound impact on individuals and communities.
That's so true. It's often the small gestures of empathy and understanding that create ripples of positive change in the world.
And it's heartwarming to see how people come together during times of crisis and adversity.
Yes, the power of unity and solidarity is truly remarkable. We saw it during natural disasters, the pandemic, and other challenging times.
Communities rallying together, supporting one another, and showing resilience is a testament to the strength of the human spirit.
Absolutely. It's in those moments that we witness the best of humanity shining through.
And let's not forget the role of technology in connecting people and spreading awareness. Social media and online platforms have played a significant role in mobilizing communities and amplifying important messages.
That's very true. Technology has made it easier for individuals to raise their voices, share information, and bring attention to issues that matter.
It's important, though, to use technology responsibly and critically evaluate the information we come across.
Definitely. With the abundance of information available, it's crucial to fact-check, question sources, and promote digital literacy.
Agreed. Critical thinking and media literacy skills are essential in navigating the complex landscape of news and information.
And let's not forget the importance of self-care and mental well-being amidst all the news and advancements. It's vital to take breaks, practice mindfulness, and prioritize our own health.
Absolutely. We need to find a balance between staying informed and taking care of ourselves.
So true. It's okay to step back, recharge, and engage in activities that bring us joy and peace.
Well, it's been a great conversation discussing the latest news, advancements, and the positive changes happening around us. It's given me a renewed sense of hope and optimism.
Likewise. It's inspiring to reflect on all the progress we've made and to envision a future where we continue to work towards a better world.
Let's carry this positivity forward and continue to be informed, engaged, and compassionate in our actions.
Absolutely. Together, we can create a brighter, more inclusive, and sustainable future.
Cheers to that. Here's to staying informed, spreading positivity, and being a force for good in the world.